How to find lost device using Gmail or Google account. Let's get started. Launch your Google app, or also you can launch your Gmail. Then click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now navigate to the option Manage your Google account. You'll be directed to this page. Head over to the section Security. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find different sections over here. Head over to the section Your Devices. Click on Manage all devices. With that, you're gonna find the list of the devices in which your Google account is logged in. Now head towards the device that has been lost. Just click on it. You're gonna find this option of Shine Out, Find Device. Don't recognize something. Click on the option Find Device. Now you'll get multiple options. With these given option over here, find and lock your iPhone, try calling your phone, shine out on your phone, contact your operator, you will be able to find your lost device. You can select the option of try calling your phone, or what you can do is select the option of find and lock your iPhone. So this way you are able to find lost device using Gmail or Google account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.